Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video is going to be the latest Glamlite and Scooby palette. And, whoa, there was just like a really weird, like it took my camera a lot to go back to the brightness that it was after I held that up. That was kind of weird. So, I was trying to think, have I taken pictures since I last used my camera and is it on the right settings? I don't think I have, so hopefully everything is right, you guys. But here is that palette, and this is the holographic. Is it changing? I hope it is. Can you guys see? I can't see what you're seeing. Yeah, it's changing. Okay. You guys, I just wanted to make sure that you could see it. So, here's the inside of that palette. Right there. You guys, these colors are stunning. I've been on a purple kick lately. So I'm going to try and not do purple. But I just absolutely adore this. So beautiful. Those purple tones are calling to me and I'm like, no, no, no. Like I've done so many purple looks lately. So maybe we'll do, I don't know. I'm not really sure what we'll do. It's also extremely hot. So I'm like, oh God, gotta get this video filmed. You can feel a hair on my face. It's so different when you go from wearing like powder products to cream products and then it's hot because like if you start sweating and everything's sticking to your face, but if you're wearing powder, it's not gonna look good. So I'm doing the best I can. But anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna start with like a more neutrally shade and we're just kind of gonna see what happens from there. So we're gonna start with, again, this is a big palette, so it's hard for me to point out shades, but this shade, just that really pretty brown shade right there. And we're just gonna start off with that, lay that down as a transition shade, and let's just, see where we go from there. Today is gonna be a day for me, and I don't mean in a good way. I'm gonna see some family members that I have not seen since my dad passed away, and it's almost been 2 years. And these particular family members just caused a lot of unnecessary drama and pain to me and my mom while my dad was fighting for his life, and ultimately he did pass away. And these particular people, they, like, some of them have like made no effort to speak to my mom. They are having a little lunch meeting, I guess, because they're upset that pretty much nobody comes to the family reunions anymore, and so they're trying to figure out like what they can do to get people to come. And I don't know, like some stuff happened and I just kind of like, I was the one that was there with my dad and my mom, trying doing my best to take care of everything. And, I guess, when all the acting a fool was going on, like, I guess one of my brothers was the one feeding these people information. So they, I guess, for whatever reason, assumed that I was not around, and I kind of made it clear that the nonsense needed to stop. And like if you can't be kind to my mom, like knock it off, and I'm not sure what happened, but all I know is my uncle's wife, who is just amazing, phenomenal, so sweet, so kind, contacted my mom because they were like, oh, we'll tell like my brother about this, and blah, 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 blah. And so my uncle's wife was like, no, I'm gonna call Sue, who's my mom, and I'm gonna tell her, and invite her, So she did, and then my mom tells me, she doesn't tell my brother. And so I'm like, well, if you want to go, I'm happy to take you, because it's pretty far away, and my mom is almost 80, and she doesn't need to be driving herself that far. So I was like, I'll take you, whatever. And so she was talking to my uncle's wife, and she made the comment, oh yeah, so-and-so said they were sure that you know, that my brother's name is John. John would be bringing you. And my mom's like, well, did they talk to him? And she's like, well, of course not. So it's just going to be interesting. I'm not sure if she told them that I'm going to be the one that's going to be going, but it's going to be interesting, like, to see how they react, because I'm like, well, Mom, you know, like, they hate me because of everything that happened. She's like, no, they're mad at me. I'm like, no, I'm sure it's me, you know, because I was the one who was, you know, doing what's right and trying to stand up for my mom and protect her, you know. But yeah, so it's gonna be interesting, to be there, to be around these people, because, like, the day before my dad died, because some stuff happened and it made it clear that he wasn't going to survive. So, you know, people got to come in, like, the day before we had to make the hard choice to take him off of life support, to say goodbye. And, like, they did not speak to me. They did not speak to my mom, like, nothing. And it was just so weird, you know. I mean, they're talking to my brother, they're talking to my niece that was there, they're talking to everyone else but me and my mom. Like, not a word was said to us. And at my dad's, like, little service thing, they did not speak. I don't think they spoke to my mom, but I know they didn't speak to me. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. You know, family just can be something else sometimes. Okay, so now that that little rant is over, I want to, what do I want to do? I kind of want to take this dark green shade right here. It's just really, really pretty. And I just kind of want to deepen the crease with that. It's a really, really pretty green. And yeah, you guys, it's gonna be like almost 100 degrees today. Like, it is gonna be so hot. I mean, it's already, like, I think in the 80s, and it's like 9 a.m. So, and, like, once the temperatures start rising here, like, they don't stop. I mean, it is hot from, like, 8, 9 in the morning until, like, 10 or 11 at night. I mean, summers are brutal. And I mean, it starts, like, mid-May through October. Like, we got married at the end of October last year, and, like, the days leading up to our wedding, it's like low 70s, so nice. And then, like, the day of the wedding, it was like, I think almost 80 degrees. It was miserable because, like, it was outdoors. I mean, once, like, we all kind of got changed out of our, like, dresses and formal wear, it was better. But my goodness, that was not fun. I don't know what I'm doing lately, but I keep, like, overshooting my eye and, like, getting eyeshadow where I don't want it. So that's not very fun. I think it's so hot, and then when I get hot, I don't know, like, my whole body gets off, and, like, my vision is weird, and, like, I'm sweating and I'm so uncomfortable. Oh gosh, you guys, I hate this. I hate living here so much. I mean, I don't do heat. I don't. Like, pretty much anything over, like, 75 is just too much for me. Like, and the older I get, like, the less that I can tolerate it. Like, my body is just like, no. This just isn't working. So, like, I'm literally sitting here in a chair and, like, my legs are, like, sweating so bad because it's so hot. I know, you guys, you're gonna get sick of this, and I'm sorry, and I hate being like this, but, man, it is just hard to do anything when you're, like, so uncomfortable and miserable. Alright, so I'm just putting that NYX glitter glue down on the inner part of my eye. There's a plane flying over. You can hear that. I noticed this mic picks up a lot more than my other one. So you guys probably heard that too. Okay. I really want to take this beautiful just, it's like a champagne-y shade. Let me try and get this up right here. And I just want to put that on the inner corner of the eye. I just had a brush. Where did it go? There it is. All right, so we're going to take that shade and put that on the inner portion of the eye. Ooh, she pretty. That is pretty. Very, very pretty. I love how that's just blending in with that green shade. That is so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, gotta pick up that glitter glue again. I'm just gonna do the same thing, put that on the inner portion of the eye. My camera battery's almost dead right now, so hopefully we can make it till the end of this video. All right. And then just, again, going in with that same shade, that really pretty champagne-y shade right here. I wish there was like such thing as like a silent fan that would like make no noise and would not be picked up by my mic, because that would be amazing. Okay. That is just so pretty. I absolutely love Glamlite shimmer shades. They're just so good. Okay. I do want to, if I can find the brush that I had, which here we go. No, that's not it. This one. I do want to go ahead and just deepen that green shade just a little bit, just a smidge. There we go. I just love this deep, deep green shade. Like, just beautiful. And then I'm just gonna go in with that first brown shade and just kind of blend everything together again. Just a little blend. All right. Now I gotta do that lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with this green shade right here and just put that on the lower lash line. For that lower inner corner highlight, I want to take this pretty green shade right here. All right. Now, I'm gonna go do my mascara, clean up my eyes a little bit where I got a little crazy, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Yeah, I love it. This is the Glamlite Scooby-Doo palette, the latest palette. And here is the inside of this beautiful palette, you guys. I can't wait to dip into more of the fun shades. I've been doing everything like blue and purple lately. So this green, champagne-y look is just to die for. Thank y'all so much. Camera battery's dying. You're amazing. You're loved. Do something that makes you happy today. Have a wonderful morning, day, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever you would like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.